Our planet is a masterpiece, sculpted by millions of years of geological processes. From towering mountains to vast oceans, Earth is home to countless natural wonders. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to explore 4 of the most awe-inspiring natural marvels on our planet. Section 1. The Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon is a mile-deep chasm carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Its vast expanse of layered rock formations offers a glimpse into Earth's geological history. Visitors can hike, raft, and fly over this natural wonder, each perspective revealing its immense scale and beauty. Section 2. The Northern Lights, Arctic and Antarctic. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, and the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis, are natural light displays in the sky caused by charged particles from the Sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. These ethereal, colorful lights are a breathtaking sight for anyone lucky enough to witness them. Section 3. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, composed of thousands of individual reefs and hundreds of islands. This underwater wonderland is home to a vast array of marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and sharks. Section 4. Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Straddling the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The sheer volume of water cascading over the edge creates a mist that can be seen for miles. Visitors can witness the falls from various vantage points, including a thrilling helicopter ride. Conclusion. Our planet is full of incredible natural wonders that remind us of the beauty and fragility of our world. From the towering cliffs of the Grand Canyon to the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef, these natural marvels inspire us to protect and preserve our planet for future generations.